Update on my twin engine build. I got 3 parts that I'm waiting for and the build will be complete. First part, I'm waiting on the exhaust spacers. I had to order some exhaust spacers so I can have the exhaust come back some more this way, so it can clear right here and I can lock into my chassis right there. The second part I'm waiting on is the piece to hold the brakes. So, and the third part I'm waiting on is the I need, well, it's 4 parts. I need McGill. I'm waiting on McGill's, and I'm waiting on the part to hold the brakes. I'm waiting on the spacers to move the exhaust back. And what else I said? What else I need? Yeah, that's about it. Everything else ready. The car already was running perfect. It's just I just switched the engine out. It took a lot of fabricating to do, but I got it right. What the other part was, my kill switch. I'm waiting on the kill switch from Killer RC. But yeah, there y'all go. Rf5 hybrid, twin engine, 1 of 1. Custom build by T-Mac Nitro. Braap, braap.